Hey everyone, I'm Jenks, and welcome back to another orb testing video. This one is for the 15-minute standard breakout entry. If you're looking for a clarification on the rules for this iteration of the orb strategy, make sure to go back and watch the previous videos in this playlist. We left off with April being a minus 5R month, which admittedly really sucks, but in context, the entirety of Q1 was plus 26R, so we're still way up on the year. Let's dive right into May and see how we do. And for those of you who know the rules and have been kind of paying attention, you can actually see that the first trading day in May here really actually sucks. We break out in both directions and lose both trades. So this is a 2-loss day. Okay, we break out this one here. Yeah, for all intents and purposes, the take profit doesn't really matter. This is just 2 losses. All right, let's go on to the next day and see how we do. The fun thing about this is it's a 2R system, and it can just so quickly recover. So it looks like we take a loss bearishly and win 1 going north. All right, so this is going to be 1 loss and 1 win. And we'll go on to the next day and see how we do. You know, because of how I play the stop loss on this ends up being a loss, unfortunately. It's okay. It's all kind of part of the way that we do it. That's okay. Just 1 loss. Move on to the next day. So we take a loss going bearish. Looks like we get a win going bullishly, though. Yep, stop loss about there. Yep, we get it. So 1 win and 1 loss is great daily if we weren't in a little bit of a hole. So let's see if we can keep clawing our way out of the hole and see how we do. So we have a loss here and a loss here as well. Unfortunate, but it's just how it works. All right, go on to the next day. Oh, let's make sure we mark these. All right, so here's our breakout. Halfway line and 2R gets hit down here. It's okay. And then actually we break out up here too. So this helps us get out of the hole a little bit. Getting a 2-win day is definitely rare for a breakout system, but yeah, we'll take it for sure. Now as we go on to the next day, this ends up being a loss because of the way that we're testing this system. That's okay. Just 1 loss there. We go on to the next day. All right, so no breakout here. Our breakout happens down here. Stop loss there, and 2R is down a bit further. Go about there. Okay, this is just a loss. It's okay. We're just creeping up on the halfway point of the month. I think we're still in a little bit of a hole. This win right here helps us for sure. Actually starting to think that we might be a bit closer to break even. I mean, not full blown. We dug a hole early in the month, but we got to be getting closer. So I'm excited to count it up at the end of the month and see how we did. So we move on to Wednesday here. This ends up looking like it might be a loss. Yeah, this one loses for sure. It's okay. We just take 1 loss there. That's all right. Go on to the next day. Because this is such a crappy rangy day, this ends up being a double loss as well. So we lose right there. And as well as right there. Yeah. So it's okay. Work out both losses. And move on to the next day. Yeah, just about halfway through the month now. Or we passed the halfway point, rather. And our breakout happens down here. Stop loss is right there. And looks like this one ends up being an unfortunate loser, but it's just part of it. All right, and we're back just from bar replay mode, guys. So just moving ahead past the weekend onto Monday, May 19th, and we have a bullish breakout here. That does A-OK. Yeah, if it doesn't hit right here, definitely hits later on there. So mark this down for our win. Go on to the next day. This unfortunately looks like a loss for us. Definitely a bearish loss. Sorry. And yeah, bullish loss too, as well. Just make sure that I got the one from yesterday marked good. Okay. Let's move on to the next day. Looks like a winner for us. Mark that real quick and then move on to the next day. Something that definitely feels good about this system that we don't get in the retest system is you're just never getting left behind. You know, you see retest days. I mean, this is like a retest day, but, you know, other days where price just kind of shoots off without you on a retest type strategy, those can be really frustrating. So looks like this wins here with a little room to spare just in case. So here's a nice winner as we're getting towards the end of May. Breakout right here. Halfway point is right there. And this actually looks like it ends up being a loss, unfortunately. It's okay. All part of it. Because, yeah, 2 R's even further past. So, yeah, that's definitely a loss. We just move on to the next day. That's okay. Take it in stride. Let's see how this day does with the bearish breakout. I don't think this is 2R. Yeah. So this ends up being a loss as well, which I feel like kind of brings us back to around closer to break even than I want to be for the month. We only have a couple days left here, but we write it out, see how we did. Here's our bullish entry. Our stop loss goes down here. Take profit gets hit up here. Nice little 2R victory for us. So we move on to the next day as we get closer and closer to the end of the month. Bearish breakout and stop loss is covered. Let's see if it hits it. Yeah, we get it. Mark that down. We take that bad boy as a win any day that happens. And just 2 days left. Let's see how we do. And this is another close one this month, I think. But we will see. Because our breakout is just right after the range is formed. And, oh, not quite 2R there. So let's see. Do we get it? Yeah, we get it. Okay. I think this might be a winning month for the breakout strategy. Let's see. Last day of the month. This is a loss. This is 2 losses. That's always fun. Never get cocky, kid. 1 loss. And 2 loss. Yeah, sweet. All right. Back to balanced. All right. Let's tally this up on the higher time frame. All right. Here we are up on the 15-minute. It's a bit easier to just take it all in and look at all the wins and losses at a broader horizon. I'm just here to do it more quickly, let's be honest. So, all right, starting off 0-1, 0-2, 0-3, 1-3, 1-4, 2-4, 2-5, 2-6, 2-7, 3-7, 4-7, 4-8, 4-9, 5-9, 5-10, 5-11, 5-12, 5-13, 6-13, 6-14, 6-15, 7-15, 8-15, 8 and 16, 8 and 17, 9 and 17, 10 and 17, 11 and 17, 11 and 18, 11 and 19. So we are 11 and 19 for the month. That brings us to 22 minus 19 is 3R. So not an explosive month, but we make back a little bit of what we lost last month, and that sure helps. And again, definitely up for the year. So not great, certainly not bad, but positive. That's a great takeaway, if nothing else. So thank you for sticking around. If you enjoyed it, if you've been liking the series, please leave a like and a comment, and make sure you subscribe to see more, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.